Well, hello my beauties, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Maddie and I'm back with another video today, guys. In this video here, I hadn't did one like this in a long time, y'all. It's been so long. So today I decided to go ahead and once I got the product to share with you guys. So today I want to share the item that I got from ShopHush. They're new matte lipsticks by Bad Habit. Bad Habit has come out with some liquid lipsticks. If you're here to see the lip swatches, please continue watching. And before I start, if you're new here to my channel, welcome. And to all of my old subscribers, thank you guys. Thank you for tuning back in with me today. I really appreciate you guys. You guys don't really know what this means to me when you continue following me and supporting my channel. So yes, to keep from rambling, let's jump right into this video and get started. So here is the box that it came in. I have already opened the box, but it came in this ShopHush kind of a light pink box. And I got 6 lippies. Yes, I did. I got 6 lippies that I purchased, guys, with my own money. These lipsticks were not sent to me, and I'm not being paid to review these lipsticks. I just want to share the swatches and kind of give you my thought on them and what I think. I probably can't give you a full review on this because I like to wear them for the whole day just to see how did this product last on my lip. Was it dry into my lips? Were they moisturizing? And just the whole shebang about these lipsticks. So these here are the lippies, and I got them in all the new shades that they had. This here came in a bundle, and I can't quite remember what I paid for these, but I will have it down in the description section or somewhere here on the screen so you guys can go check them out, and you can purchase them individually. Okay guys, so that was the look of all of the lipstick swatches on my lips, you guys. And okay, first of all, I want to thank Bad Habit for creating these matte lipsticks. To me, they kind of remind me of ColourPop. They kind of hand in hand with ColourPop to me, because I purchased tons of lippies from ColourPop way back when they first launched their lippies back in the, I don't know how many years they've been. They are similar to those matte lipsticks. So, for first impression on these lippies, I like them, and yeah, and I love the packaging. The packaging is amazing, y'all. I love this packaging. It is gorgeous. I love it. It's just so unique and just kind of, let's say, pretty, cute, beautiful. It's a nice packaging. And this bottle is, I'm not quite sure if it's plastic. Let me see. I'm not quite sure. It feels like glass, and then it kind of feels like it's a little plastic, but I'm thinking it's glass, but it's a lighter feel, a lighter glass, if that makes sense to you guys. I'm not good at describing things. I'm not, and I'm gonna be honest with you, I'm not good at that. And it has Bad Habit here, and it also has the name at the bottom of the lipstick packaging, and it's in this square looking shape and kind of got this different kind of like glassy, kind of like a, what I'm trying to say, just, ooh, I got the word for it, you guys. Ooh, brain fog. And I love this. It is so sleek and it's unique kind of packaging. It's pretty. I love it. Bad Habit, you did a great job on your packaging. And as for the lip, it's nice. It's kind of comparison to the ColourPop. Now, for the long wear, I haven't worn them long enough to tell if they last a long time. I'm not sure in how it transfer on to your glass, to a glass or a bottle or whatever you're drinking. I'm not sure about that because I haven't worn it long wear. So yes, guys, and I think they did a great job. It's a little bit, inside. It's not real drying. Just make sure that you apply some lip moisturizer to go along with it, so you know your lips can stay a little bit moisturized. But I did notice that in a few other ones that I tried, some are a little bit drier than the other, but that's okay. Just apply more lip moisturizer, and I noticed on another one that it didn't apply well to my lip. I haven't exfoliated my lips, so that might be the problem. So before you wear these, I would exfoliate your lips. You always exfoliate your lips so your lipsticks can go on very smoothly and look nice and all that. So yeah, I didn't do that. So yeah, but I love them, and I think they are amazing liquid lipstick. And Bad Habit, I hope you come out with more shades. As for the formula in these liquid lipsticks, they might not reach the standard up to like the high-end formulas, but that's okay. They are very affordable. You can pick these up at ShopHush, and like I mentioned, these were not sent to me. I purchased these with my own money, and I'm just sharing my first impression and the swatches with you guys. And as for the colors, they are amazing. They go well with my skin tone, and I really do like them. So, and for the con on these, trying to get it out of the container was a little bit hard trying to do, because you wasn't sure how much product was going to come out on the applicator. And this here is what the applicator looks like. And it's nice. To rate them from 1 to 10, I would say I would give them a number 8. And I love Bad Habit. All of the makeup products that I have purchased from them. I practically have everything that they've come out with and launched. I do have. So yeah, thanks to Bad Habit. So you guys, I will have the link to ShopHush down below so you guys can go check out that website. So which lipstick did you like on my skin tone? And rate it down below and let me know. And until next time, you guys be blessed. And don't forget to be a blessing. And I will see all of you in my next video. Bye.